Marjorie Taylor Greene appears to have violated federal law during a congressional hearing. Let's uncover the truth. You're about to witness Marjorie Taylor Greene, a sitting Republican congresswoman, threaten a U.S. attorney in D.C. named Matthew Graves simply for investigating the January 6th insurrection. A lot of disinformation in this video. We'll talk about it after, and we'll explain why this is a crime. Let's roll the tape.
You have already abused your position by maliciously prosecuting at least 1,000 people from January 6th, but you recently announced that you're going to arrest at least 1,000 more. The time for weaponizing the Department of Justice needs to come to an end. And because you refuse to prosecute real criminals that are violating all the crimes here in Washington, D.C., and you want to talk about D.C. residents, they are victims of your abuse of power. And because of that, I am introducing articles of impeachment on you, Mr. Graves.
You just heard Greene, who sought a presidential pardon for her role in the January 6th attack, threatened to impeach an independent U.S. attorney simply for following the facts and evidence in pursuing criminal charges against the January 6th defendants. So, in other words, Marjorie Taylor Greene is weaponizing the power of the federal government to block and intimidate an independent prosecutor, hoping that he backs away from bringing charges against some of her supporters and potentially her co-conspirators. Marjorie Taylor Greene here, ironically, is accusing him of politicizing a case and weaponizing the power to go against Donald Trump supporters, but really, it is Marjorie Taylor Greene who is sitting in that chair after swearing an oath to defend the Constitution after being sworn into Congress, now violating her oath and pledging her allegiance to the far-right terrorists who stormed the Capitol. Plus, here is a bombshell report from the Rolling Stone that alleges Greene may have communicated with the rioters prior to the January 6th attack. So, Marjorie Taylor Greene is attempting to interfere with an independent criminal investigation that she may be linked to. This is blatant attempted obstruction of justice, and to make matters worse, unrelated to this heinous abuse of power committed by Greene, earlier this week, she went out and defended/praised Daniel Penny, the man who choked the African-American homeless man to death on the subway. So, not only is Marjorie Taylor Greene defending domestic terrorists, but she's also praising people who were charged with manslaughter.
I am introducing articles of impeachment on you, Mr. Graves.
We cannot let this vile rhetoric go unpunished. It is well past time for Greene to be expelled from Congress for her role in the January 6th insurrection and subsequently investigated for trying to weaponize the power of the federal government to interfere in a criminal investigation that she may very well be the suspect in.